Here are the top headlines on ITWeb this week. A dispute between the South African National Roads Agency, Sanral, and technology company Wide Group over a 438 million rand tender to provide SAP support and maintenance has spilled into court. Also in the news, Johnson Ideso, Group Chief Information and Technology Officer at Absa Group, says the next phase of artificial intelligence will be defined by autonomous agents, human-AI collaboration, and Africa's ability to build technology ecosystems suited to its own realities. We also reported this week that the University of Witwatersrand Chief Information Officer Dr. Stanley Mapofu has been appointed as a member of the ICT Committee of Council at the Council on Higher Education for 3 years. Meanwhile, the Communications Ministry has appointed an independent expert review panel of astute individuals to drive the development of the country's AI policy. Minister Solly Malatsi announced this during his department's budget vote this week, addressing the issue of the now withdrawn draft national AI policy. Lastly, in this week's episode of ITWeb, Adam Smith, cyber lead for Southern Africa at the British High Commission, discusses the need for Africa's governments to work together in improving cyber deterrence, the need to improve cyber skills, why the British High Commission has a cyber lead in Southern Africa, and the rise in state-sponsored cyber activity. For these and more news, visit itweb.co.za, itweb.co.za, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.